Hi guys, it's Kiera for Kids. Today, I'm making this Asher.
What are we going to do today?
We're going to make moon sand.
Okay, so what ingredients are we going to need?
We have flour.
How many cups of flour?
4 cups.
And what else are we going to need?
Half a cup of baby oil.
Half a cup of baby oil. Okay, so we have the flour already in the container. And what are we going to do? Add it or?
Add this.
Okay.
Add the baby oil.
So go ahead and add it in and start mixing it.
Oh my god. It's time to make it. It smells good.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Well, baby oil smells good.
Oh my god.
So just mix it and mix it and mix it.
This is supposed to happen. Okay, done. That's the mixing. Then we need it by hand.
All right, ladies, go ahead and start kneading it.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's soft?
So soft. Can we put it on the match, Mom?
In a bit. Just start kneading it little by little.
I can't fit my hands in it. It feels so good.
So now, what do we do? Pour this on the mat?
Yeah. More space to play. It feels so good. Oh my god. It feels so good.
Smells like a baby.
It smells like a baby. It was so good. Here's my face. Now we're gonna split it up and add food coloring.
What type of, what colors are you going to add?
We were thinking of adding blue and purple.
Blue and purple?
To make it really.
I don't know. Whose favorite color is purple? Ah, Kiki. All right, let's get started adding the food coloring. So we're going to put the food, half of the moon sand into the white container and then go from there.
We're going to add the food coloring.
And you have it on the spoon? Okay, put it in there. I don't know how this is going to work out. Just put it in there. And then start kneading it really well.
So the food coloring gel was a letdown and did not work.
So it's because the food coloring is gel. So what it did is make like little clumps
It just made a little
of food coloring, little speckles. So that didn't really work out too well. So what are we going to do next? We're going to try the drops. I only have one color in drops, so let's see if that works.
Just use food coloring spray.
We're going to use that and see if it works out better because, I don't know, it might work. Try it. Okay, now mix it, Kix. It smells like paint. Oh yeah, it sure does smell like paint. It's like painting moon sand. Is it kind of working?
It's working a little bit.
How about we stick this in there?
It smells like nails now.
You boys are something else.
Come on, let's go. You remember that one movie that kind of like
I feel like the more we add, the better to look at.
Yeah.
It's like adding like little like sprinkles or something to it.
Yeah, like little speckles in there.
But it looks pretty. It's starting to.
It's kind to work. It's not white in it. It's not getting.
Oh my God, Kiki, look at your hair. You got flour all over your hair.
Over here.
So it's not turning out pink, 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 or red, 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 whatever color that is.
Kind of a mixture of
It's
red
like
and
a
pink.
red and
It's just kind of tinting it up a little bit.
but it still is coloring.
Yeah. Got like little specks in there. What color is that? Red?
It's reddish pink, yeah.
Well, Kaden wants to join in all the fun and help spray the moon sand. Uh-oh. I think we're running out.
It's all good.
Okay, so it did work. It's getting pink.
It is
Not really like a red color or a pink color, but hey, you know what? It's awesome.
Mhm.
In comparison, let's put these close together.
This is the comparison.
This is, oh
between
yes.
the plain white one and the supposed to be reddish pink.
Yes. So it did work a little bit.
Mhm.
Thanks for watching our video. We're gonna play with it now. Bye guys.